Hey guys, welcome to this iPhone guide, and here I'll detail how to bold text on iPhone. So if you want to use the iPhone text effect on how to bold text while using iMessage, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to bold text on iPhone on iOS 18, all you just need to do is open the iMessage app and then select the chat you want to bold in the text while chatting or before you send the message. Now, once you selected the text, you want to go ahead and write the message you want to send. And here I will send how to bold text in iPhone iOS 18. So just go ahead, type your text message. And once you've typed your text message, what you need to do next is this. Highlight the part of the text you want to bold. So let me just highlight bold text in iPhone. So just highlight text. Once highlighted, then you should see text effect on the menu that pops. If the text effect is missing here, you can just scroll to the left or right to find out the text effect here. If it is not there, just come here and click on this text effect icon at the top right of the keyboard to show the text effect. So it's either this, or you click on the text effect on the menu that comes up. Once you highlighted the text you want to bold, click on text effect, then press B, which is the bold icon. Then once you selected that, click outside. You can now send the text. Then you should see the part of the selected text bolded in the text. You can also do this for all the text. And once you're done bolding the text, then you can then set the text on your iMessage. So that is all you need to do when you want to bold text on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.